Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for joining me on this presentation of SQL Server services. So SQL Server is basically Microsoft's enterprise database solution. It competes with Oracle and some of the other larger database systems out there. SharePoint also uses SQL Server as its backend database, and a lot of ERP or enterprise resource planning packages use SQL Server as a backend. The nice thing about SQL Server is that it's an open architecture, so a lot of times you can integrate different front ends and different back ends and all share the same common pool of data. We do have a SQL Server DBA or database administrator on staff. She has, probably about 20 years experience with SQL Server to help troubleshoot with any SQL Server issues that you may encounter. Some of the SQL Server services we can provide are performance tuning and troubleshooting, trying to figure out why a SQL Server is not running as fast as it should be, helping with maintenance plans, clustering so that the SQL Server is highly available, table design to make sure that SQL tables are designed to at least what's called the third normal form, so that data are stored efficiently and it's easy to perform queries against it. Checking to see that SQL is properly backed up and that the database is properly what's called quiesced, so that you ensure that the integrity of your backup is maintained during a backup. Writing any custom stored procedures or triggers which can help optimize your SQL Server performance and troubleshooting. So if you have some issues with SQL Server and you need some assistance, give us a call. You can call me, Alan Sagano. My phone number is area code 310-541-8584. I'm at extension 100, or you can email me asugano@adscon.com. Thanks a lot, and thank you for listening.